Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the quick settings panel on Android. This is it. Just swipe down here, and these are your quick settings. You can see. So I'm going to remove from this now, and this is too much for me. And I want to reduce it. So let me go. The first step you're going to do is you go to your system settings. You click on your settings. And you scroll down here, you must make sure that your phone settings system. Click on see, you must make sure you're on developer option, and if you don't know how to do a developer option, you can search over some of our videos. You'll see how to enable developer option. You can go through it and you'll be able to get your developer option mode. So this is my developer option mode. You can see, so this is it. I want to customize my quick settings. You can see quick setting developer ties, and this is it. I'm going to add and withdraw. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove some again. Show layer one. I'm going to remove some, and I'm going to delete. So I'm going to say the animation scale. You can on and you can remove it. You can say so again. This one I'm going to remove this now. So let's see. Let's go down. You can say I've removed that one. If you want to remove another one now, you can just click on it. Let's see. Then say I care. You want to remove it, just click on off, and you're going to see okay, it's there. I'm going to remove it back, so you can just come here. It's okay. So yeah, here. So let's say you can just follow by option. You can just okay, your quick settings. You can remove and you can add to it. You can see these are things that you need to do, should have. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.